Hola, this is Señora Quintero. Today, I am going to be walking you through the steps of how to create your own collections page within the bulbapp.com application. You guys need to create your own and free basic profile within Bulbapp, so that way you guys can start off in the same spot as me. This is my profile screen, and as you can see, it has my first and last name. I've added an image to the profile. You're allowed to add avatars if you choose instead of pictures, as long as they're appropriate. I described a little bit about myself here, and you're also going to be doing that in your own profiles. Okay, so the reason I chose this platform is because it's a good platform to keep all of your digital works together. We call those collections, and that is what I'm going to be showing you how to create today, because you will be submitting your assignments and deliverables for your project-based learning inside of this app. I'm only concerned with the portfolio tab located here at the bottom, because this is what you will be carrying with you digitally through the years, and you will be able to reference back the information, and also you will be able to see how much you have grown, where your progress has been made within learning Spanish. Okay, to begin, we are going to go and click this button called Create. You're given two choices. I want you guys to select Create Collection. Once you have selected that button, you're able to give your collection a title. You're going to be giving it the title according to the Spanish course that you're taking this year. So if you're in my Spanish 1 course this year, that is the title of your collection. If you're in my Spanish 2, you will name it Spanish 2, and for the purposes of this explanation, we will call it Spanish 2. Give it a quick description. It's going to be quick. My Spanish works. Alright, you're going to hit the button Create, and you have now created your collections page. It's very basic, but you are allowed to add a cover image, and I'm going to show you how to do that because the same steps apply in other pages. You'll be able to add them the same way. So first you're going to click the button Add Cover Image. You're going to select where you would like the picture to come from. I always like using stock images. Unsplash is the provider for those stock images for this platform. So I'm going to type in Mexican pyramids, since it is something that relates to a Spanish-speaking country. Select the picture that you'd like. It is going to be added to the background of your cover. And I like the way it looks, so I am going to leave it as is and hit Save. And now I have a visual for my collections page. It tailors it a little bit. It helps my audience see that I took my time and that I'm personalizing it. Now I can see that I have a profile, and in my profile portfolio, I also have this collection called Spanish 2. And from here, I should be able to share this collection with other members of Bulbapp, and you can do that by getting their usernames, and then let me show you how to add. For example, if I'm a student and I want to share with the teacher, which in this case would be me, I would hit the share button. And right now it's just sharing with me. I don't want to share with the public yet because I only want to be sharing my works with my teacher, my peers, and maybe my parents if they become Bulb users in order to see my work. So I want you guys to click Custom, Share with other Bulb users. So you're going to click this bar, and in order to add people, you need to have their username. Mine is has already been searched for, so it's here. But if you wanted to search for somebody new, you would just type in their username and hit enter. It is going to give you search results, and you will click on the person that you want to select, the user you want to select, and then hit save. Now, these are the users that you're sharing your collection with. They can't see anything else except for that, except for your collection that you're explicitly sharing. And you're all done. Now the user is able to see your page, and let's say that you add on to your collection page by creating a page inside of your collection. You would click the create button, create page, and it gives you an option to do the same thing, add a cover image, title it. I will be giving you the titles for your assignments. You will be able to decide what you would like to turn in for your project-based learning assignments, but you will have to name them with the assignment that they correspond to. So for example, if it's going to be a presentation for Unit 2, that's what you will name it. You're welcome to add your title here afterwards. Select the media or the file or the image that you'd like to add to your page. And then you're going to add a description here. Anything else, any information you want to provide, you're going to add it there. And then you're able to add another cover image if you'd like, and you're able to share specific pages with people. In this case, I have access to your collection because you've already shared it with me, and since this assignment page is within your collection, I will be able to view it. So if I go view your collection, I have to make it visible first, and it's already visible to me, so I should be able to see it. And now when you come back to your collections page, which is what the teacher or the peers, the parents will be able to see if you share, you will see that your pages will show up here at the bottom, and you're able to click on those and go inside of your pages so that I can assess whatever you have left in there for me to assess the mastery of the skill that you're showing me you have learned, or whatever progress you want to show you that you have made. I hope that you guys have found this helpful. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to help you, to clarify anything. And remember that you just have to get the basic profile. No need to upgrade. I won't ask you to provide any upgrade features on any of your assignments. So I hope that you found it helpful. I hope that you're able to create your collections page by yourself, maybe at home, and save you some time. If not, like I said, please don't hesitate to ask questions. Thanks for watching.